There are so many laws and policies that made by the government that support the person with disabilities. One of these are Person with Disabilities Act 2006. It includes all categories of disabilities, including physical, mental, vision, hearing, and etc. It aims to provide a foster environment for them and creates new employment for specially able individuals.
Laws that support the rights of people with disabilities are: first one is the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. This comprehensive law aims to ensure rights, protection, equal opportunities for persons with disabilities. It covers aspects like education, employment.
So the laws that support especially abled person in India is RPW Act. It is Rights of Person with Disability. So this act ensured that the person with disability can lead their life with dignity, without discrimination and equal opportunities.
Laws and policy for specially abled persons. National Policy for Person with Disability Act 2006. The national policy recognizes that persons with disability are valuable human resource for the country and seeks to create an environment that provides equal opportunities, protection of their rights, and full participation in the society. The acts provide for free education for a child with benchmark disability between the ages of 6 to 18 years. It provides for the reservation of not less than 5 seats in government and government-aided higher education institute for students with benchmark abilities. One day I am going through the metro station stairs and a man come to me and said, Madam, I need your help to reach my destination. I want rupees 100 because my purse is stolen by somebody. I am a specially disabled person. So I helped him and give him 100 rupees. To reach his destination, and he thanks me a lot of times. At that time I feel very good. So I want to say that help people even when you know they can't help you back.
One day in a college seminar, I saw Ravi, a student with speech difficulties. He was hesitant to ask questions, so I encouraged him to write down his questions and I asked it on his behalf. The speaker answered all the questions and Ravi was able to get the information he needed. He thanked me afterward and I felt grateful to have helped him participate.
हाँ, मैंने एक बार एक विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड पर्सन की मदद करी थी. मैं बस स्टैंड पे थी और उन अंकल को बस में चढ़ना था, तो मैंने उनको बस में चढ़ने में मदद करी थी.
Policies that should be implemented to improve the lives of specially able individuals and making our environment more accessible for them are by ensuring accessible facilities for them. पब्लिक स्पेसेस और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को उनके लिए एक्सेसिबल बना के, स्कूल में इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन को प्रमोट करके, और अगर कंपनीज उनके लिए जॉब कोटास और ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स लॉन्च करें. बाय इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दीज पॉलिसीज वी कैन मेक देयर लाइव्स बेटर.
Policies that I think should be implemented: inclusive education. Schools and colleges should provide special support like trained teachers and learning aids to help disabled students learn better. Second one is awareness campaigns. Conduct awareness programs to educate the public about the needs and rights of disabled people and accessibility. Second one is National Trust Act 1999. This act provides for welfare of people with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation, and multiple disabilities. It aims to enable and empower these individuals to live in.
So the policies that I think should be implemented, that is, we can make a ministry or a department for disabled person. And second, कि हम लोग इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं बच्चों को, जिसमें कि जो टीचर्स हैं वो वेल ट्रेंड हो उन बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए. और तीसरा, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो वो मतलब ईज़िली एक्सेसिबल हो, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना आए, और जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो वो ईजी हो.
The Equal Opportunity Policy should address issues such as accessible infrastructure, reasonable accommodations, recruitment process, special leave, training programs, and also providing braille signs in common areas, installing wheelchair access at building or room entrances and exits, restructuring job functions or modifying work schedules, providing closed captioning or transcripts for audio recording and view.
Different but not less.
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 Specially abled people are different but not less than others.